It says, number 10 says, determine the number of significant digits. And now this is what's confusing. Significant digits, sometimes the zeros count, sometimes they don't count. A whole number. If this was 368,000, all the zeros at the end I don't care about when it's a whole number. Because I could pay you 368,000 without giving you any ones or tens or hundreds easily. This one here, if I read this number correctly, you're kind of giving yourself the hint of what you need. Who can read this number correctly? 0.00368 is kind of the lame mathematical way to say it. This would be 368 what? Lexi?
100,000?
Tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, 100,000. Now, so I basically am giving you the place values for thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s. I got nothing in those two. I don't need them. So I have three significant digits here.
Yeah, but you need them to get 100,000.
But guess what? When I say 100,000, once I say 100,000, yes, those are used to get me over to 100,000. But since I don't have any numbers in there, I don't have to worry about it. And I'll make sure that the question that's on there is relevant for what I wanted you to learn. Question number 11 says, a painter is designing a mural that measures 3.5 and 27.1. Now, here, when I do question number 10, we're talking about looking at the place values. Here, I'm looking at number of digits. How many digits are in 3.5? 2. How many digits are in 27.1? Now, area. What do I do if I want to find the area of something? I multiply them. Now I need someone out there with a calculator really fast because I don't have it in front of me. Maddie, 3.5 times 27.1, what is that? 94.85. Now, I was allowed 2 numbers with the 3.5. I'm allowed 3 numbers with there. Now, when it starts talking about significant digits, I'm only allowed to be as accurate as my, what I call the worst measurement. I'm only allowed 2 numbers. If this guy would have came in at 3, I'd only be allowed 1 number. If both of them came in at 3, I'd allowed 3 numbers. If one was 3 and one was 4, I'd be allowed 3. So here I'm allowed 2 numbers. And here's the part that some people got a little messed up on. I'm allowed 2 numbers, but I'm allowed to look to the right and see what I got. 5, 6, 7, 8 rounds up. 4, 3, 2, 1 stays the same. What do I call this then? 95. Now, I want to be a gigantic unit geek. What kind of units do I have? Yeah.
Square meters.
Square meters. Square meters.